There is a new song coming up very soon that will make your mind blown away. This is a new formed band named Hureki, and this is their debut track.
Wait a minute. This is a new band? And this is their debut track?
Yeah.
Then why the heck did you pick up a random band and include it in our breaking news? No one gives a crap when a new band releases their debut song.
Whoa, calm down. People should listen to new artists, otherwise, soon enough, artists will be found just in history.
Gosh, you and your lunatic philosophy. No, screw this crap. I am out of here.
All right, people. Now you become the judge. Follow this band, Hureki, and listen to their upcoming debut single, and let us know if I was right or not. Please make me right.